Hi guys, this is Crompton Ultraa ceiling fan. This is in 48-inch sweep and the color is brown. And this is a 2016 fan. This fan is still looking like a new fan, but this particular model of Crompton has been discontinued because this fan looks like a premium quality fan like Crompton Aura or Crompton High Speed. But the airflow, yes, the airflow of this fan is really horrible. I know that some of you people will now claim that the fan is also looking horrible. Exactly, the fan is also looking horrible because the shape of the blades is like that only. I don't know why they made this type of shape of blades, but if you put Crompton high speed blades on this particular model, it will look and perform far better than the usual because Crompton high speed gives so much airflow than this Crompton Ultra. Okay guys, the canopies are reversed as you can see. I think the electrician who installed this fan did this mistake. So guys, now let me show you the performance of the fan by turning it on. Okay. Due to the horrible design of the blades, the fan makes a weird noise while running. One thing is that Ultra's blades are similar to the Taurus blades. Yes, Taurus was a G logo fan and that fan's 48-inch sweep means the 3 blade version used to give only 210 cmm airflow. So guys, this is the fan box including the blade box. This is how the blade box looks. You can see. This is the side view of the blade box. Okay. So guys, this is how the fan box looks. Okay. So you can see this is a May 2016 fan. This is a Solan product and you can see these are the features of the fan. So okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, then press the like button. If you have any comments, please comment it down in the comment section. Share this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So okay guys, goodbye, take care, see you in my next video.